Hi, this is John Carroll from Insurance Splash with a quick tutorial about how to start an insurance agent blog in under 4 minutes. So in 4 minutes, we're going to buy a brand new domain name, we'll set up a hosting account, and we'll install WordPress software on your website. You'll be ready to go in 4 minutes. A couple things first. Number one, why WordPress? Basically, it's the most popular blogging website. It's the easiest to use, and hands down, it's just the best. Don't waste any time investigating or researching or any of this kind of stuff. If you're going to do an insurance blog, use WordPress. It's the best. Why cheapesturl.com? They're actually the domain name provider that I use. I buy all my domain names through them, and I basically have nothing but good things to say about them. They're affordable, and most of all, they have something called a one-click WordPress install, which basically makes it really easy for you. You don't have to download and upload files or set up databases or do any kind of complicated website development. If you want to use WordPress with your hosting account, you can click one button and it will take care of everything. So it's perfect for insurance agents that don't like to get too techie, because if you can click a button, you can do this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go out to cheapesturl.com and just type that into your address bar, cheapesturl.com. All right, so let's pop up the timer. There we go. And can we get this? All right, it's going. Okay, so here we are on Cheapest URL. And what we're looking for is underneath the web hosting tab. We're specifically looking for WordPress blog hosting. That's the product that's going to allow us to install that WordPress as quick and easy as possible. So a few different options here. You can even see more information about how WordPress works, but take my word for it. This is what you want to use. Of the different options, and you can go with the economy. You don't need any of the bells and whistles with the more expensive plans, so just go with the cheap one. And so now I've got my shopping cart here with the economy web hosting plan included, but I want to add a domain name. Fortunately, I already picked one out that I knew was available, insuranceblogstarter.com. So I'm going to put that in and add that to the order, and of course it's available. So I'm going to click that red button right there and continue to cart. And so now I've got my WordPress hosting, and I've also got my domain name all added in there. So now all I have to do is check out, and I'll be purchasing both of those things. Now I already have an account with Cheapest URL, but I'm going to set up a new one just so you see the, like the normal setup if you haven't used them before. And unfortunately, I'm not going to show you everything here because, I don't know, there's probably some bad people could use there. Same here with my credit card information. So, unfortunately, you won't get to see all that. But I'm going to go ahead and click Place Your Order. And here we go. That's it. So I've already purchased the domain name and I've purchased the hosting. Now I want to get started. So I click this blue button here. It takes me into the account. And right away it just asks me, okay, what domain name am I going to be using? Which there's only one. So, and the next thing it says is, okay, do you want to install WordPress? And this is that one button, one click install I was talking about. You'll leave the directory information blank so that the blog will go right into the root of your website, right on the normal website. You set up a name and a password, and then click install, and the system is going to set everything up for us right now. It could take a little bit, but all right, so it's done. Okay, I'm going to click go live, and that's pretty much it as far as setting up. So I'll just get the finish button, and now I should be able to go out to the internet and actually see this website on my domain name already. Now, the domain name could take you a little bit longer, but with Cheapest URL, I found that they're always really fast with new domains. So there it is. That is the website. And I'm actually looking at like under 3 minutes. So under 3 minutes, I've gone from no website to a blog that's ready to go on a domain name of my own choice. You could do this too. I'm going to go into the back end here just to kind of customize it a little bit since we got plenty of time to spare. Customize your site. I'm going to change this thing to Insurance Blog Starter. And I'll just put something here. Get your insurance blog. All right, so a little call to action there. I can adjust some colors. Now, this is just scratching the surface because I can do all kinds of different customizations really easily, but I just kind of wanted to show you that within a matter of moments, you can go from really having nothing to having a full blog that has your own images on it, your own color scheme, all of this kind of stuff. And so I guess, my real idea here is now that this video is available to you, you don't really have any good excuses not to get out there and start producing content because the technology is not going to stand in your way. Here you go. I've done it in less than 4 minutes. It might take you 40 minutes, but even still, hopefully these directions will guide you right where you need to go. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.